5147 Case. Beautiful day in Lyndhurst, Ohio. Dog's not real happy I'm here, but we'll get over it. So we're going inside. We didn't pass the first inspection. They're having another one today on the plumbing, so I'll show you what we had to do. And this is why we get permits. Make sure everything's the code. So this one, as you can see, he had to dig it back up, but he had to extend this one out another so many inches. I think it was like 30 inches, 20 inches, something like that, but it was not good to the city. So he's coming back out today to get this all redone. You can see how far he moved that over. All this got moved around. So we'll have a bigger bathroom for sure. You can kind of see in the thing. And so this is all we're waiting on this property. And so we should have this one wrapped up next week and up for rent. So here's all the material. All the material is here to finish everything. You just got to get it finished. So I want to give you a quick update video. This is kind of what we do, and everything's got to be done correctly. That way it'll work correctly and be on the tax records. So anyway, this is your new bathroom, full bath, by the way. Vanity, your toilet, and your shower. 216-703-5740. I'm Brett with Key Realty. We do better properties with exceptional results. This one, we're adding a bathroom, and we've already got everything else ready to go when they're done. So again, this is it, and place looks fantastic. Thanks. Have a great day.